welcome back to my channel, and I just want to show you guys what I did for my simple look for today. Since we will be going outdoors for a lunch out, then I opted for a sort of a natural daytime look. So I bought this Natasha Denona mini nude palette in Sephora, and it's really gorgeous, guys, because you carry that anywhere you go. 5 shades. It's kind of my go-to eyeshadow shade. So here it is. I want to show you. So these are gorgeous, right? So you can carry this whenever you go, like when you travel. Mostly are nude or earth tones, so it's really kind of affordable and a handy one to go for. So for my blush, I use this No Blush blush from Perricone MD, one that I bought in one of the makeup stores here. So it's kind of peachy shade, and it's good for summer because it highlights your cheeks, gives color to your entire face. I'd like to mix it with the Rose Glow blush along with the highlighter. So let's try that. And for my lip shade, I use this Tom Ford, which I got from my mom. She bought me this a long time ago, but it's really my favorite, guys, because it's kind of nude. It's from Tom Ford, and the shade is Pink Dusk, along with this Sigma lip gloss. So I just want to top it off to finish my entire look. And of course, my favorite powder. So this is Dior mattifying powder in the shade 025. So without further ado, let's start. After prepping my skin with a primer, I'm taking in this darkest shade Soil and applying it from the outer corner up on my crease and slightly bringing it inwards to create a softer smoke effect. And then I'm taking in this pearly metallic shade and slightly applying it with my finger into my lid, making sure to blend everything in place. To add more depth and definition in my eyes, using eyeliner brush, I'm taking the shade Soil and slightly smudging it underneath my eyes. To have my eyes look fuller, I'm using the black eyeliner and just simply tight lining my upper and lower lash line. This helps my eyes look bigger and defined. Using this Benefit eyebrow pencil, I am just slightly brushing the hair upwards and then started filling my brows, making it even for a more detailed look. What I like about this brow pencil, guys, from Benefit, it's because it gives you that natural looking finished look that lasted for almost 12 hours. I've tried this a few times already. It's just a minimal touch-ups, right, filling the sparse areas of your brows. Right here, I'm just making sure that everything is even and well blended. And then to highlight my brows, I am taking in this Sigma highlighter and just slightly applying it underneath my brows. Of course, not forgetting my nose and my cheek area to give you that dewy, soft effect. And now, since I am going outdoor, then I will use this CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation. It's a 24-hour foundation with sunscreen, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, and humidity proof. Here I'm using the damp blending sponge to blend everything seamlessly. For the blush, I am using this Perricone MD, just a small amount, and dab it into my cheeks and blend everything smoothly, which will give you a sun-kissed effect. To intensify my cheek, I'm adding this blush on from Sigma in their Rose Gold collection. And I'm just combining it with a highlighter on top of my cheekbone to create a glowy effect. Once in a while, I do hydrate or exfoliate my lips because it tends to get dry and flaky, so it's best to apply the any kind of lipstick if your lips is well hydrated. And then I'm topping off with this lip gloss from Sigma. To set my foundation, I quickly just dab on a pressed mattifying powder from Dior and then seal it with my Urban Decay Prep Priming Spray. And for the hair, using my ponytail, I wrapped my hair around like a bun and then secured it tightly with a bobby pin. And to spray it with a hairspray for an extra hold. And now I'm all set and ready to go. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and send me your thoughts regarding this makeup look. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just feel free to write it down in the description box. Anyway, all the products that I've mentioned for the makeup look alone, I'll be putting it down in the description box as well. That's it, and you have a great day. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.